Hi, welcome to today's tutorial from the Merry Uke. Today we're going to learn the song No Alarms and No Surprises by Radiohead. Play a little bit and then we'll break it down. A heart that's full up like a landfill, a job that slowly kills you, bruises that won't heal. You look so tired, unhappy, bring down the government. They don't speak for us. I'll take a quiet life, a handshake of carbon monoxide with no alarms and no surprises. No alarms and no surprises. No alarms and no surprises. Silent. So I finger pick this song and just use the bottom three strings. So 1, 2, 3. And the finger plucking pattern I use is 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. Thumb, pointer, middle finger, pointer. Same thing pretty much the whole time. And the chords are C5, so regular C but with your ring finger on the 3rd fret next to it. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. And then A minor, which would normally be this, but because we're just playing the bottom 3 strings, it's just open. And then D minor. Again, you might see me just put 2 fingers down like this, since I don't really need this top note, but you can just do a regular D minor. And then G. And the only exception to those 4 chords is the little thing he does, kind of like a filler. And that is, if you want to look up the chord, it's F minor, Adonai. And it looks like this: your pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom string, middle finger on the 4th fret of the next one over, ring finger on the 5th fret, so kind of stair steps, and then your pinky is gonna go on the would be the 5th fret, but it's gonna come off, so it looks like this. And then you lift your pinky and play that last string again. 1, 2, 3, and then lift your pinky, and that's just gonna be an open C that you're gonna play. So. And the only difference is you're lifting your pinky on and off of that 5th fret, the bottom string. So I'll just run through all the chords quickly. C5, heart that's full up like a landfill. A minor, a job that slowly kills you. D minor, bruises that won't. And then when you hit heel, it's G. Repeat. C5, you look so tired and happy. A minor, bring down the government. D minor, they don't, and then G, they don't speak for us. And then this is when you do a C5 twice, 3 times, and then our little filler, and then back to C5, I'll take a quiet life. A minor, a handshake of carbon monoxide. And then for the with no alarms and no surprises, kind of like the chorus, it's D minor, no alarms, and G, no surprises. D minor, no alarms, and G, no surprises. D minor, no alarms, and G, no surprises. Silent is that little C5 and filler, so silent. Then for this is my final fit C. This is my final fit, my A minor final belly ache with D minor, no alarms, and G, no surprises. D minor, no alarms, and G, no surprises. D minor, no alarms, and G, no surprises. Please. C5 and your filler. Please. Such a Pretty House, C5, Such a Pretty House, and A minor, Such a Pretty Garden, and D minor, No Alarms, and G, No Surprises, D minor, No Alarms, and G, No Surprises, D minor, No Alarms, and G, No Surprises, please, C5 in your filler. So just remember this, the finger picking the whole time is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. And the only exception to that is your little C5 and filler. But you play C5 3 times, and then you do your little filler, which is 1, 2, it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, lift your pinky. Hope that helps. Happy playing!